Hey, it's Matt. I've really been on a kick lately to do some trail food that takes no refrigeration at all and that you can get whipped up in just a couple of minutes. And you saw the videos about the ramen and the Vienna sausages and all that kind of stuff. This isn't the Vienna sausage video. This is something else from a blast from my childhood that I discovered walking through the grocery store. And it is Runnin' with the Devil, Underwood Deviled Ham. Now this is just like a little 4.05 ounce container, and if you look at the ingredients, and there's nothing in here except a can. If you look at the ingredients, all it is ham, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and some spices. It does have the pop top, so you don't even need a can opener on the trail. So we're going to go in and I'm going to show you a quick, easy little recipe you can have a nice little quick lunch on the trail using Underwood Deviled Ham. Stay tuned. All right, so here we go with our Underwood Deviled Ham. We're just going to get it out. All right, there we go. Good fire starting tinder. Alright. Being careful not to cut ourselves. Ooh. Oh, alright. God, I don't know what this yellow junk is on the top. I think I'm just going to stir this around a little bit. Ooh, man. Alright. Well, I don't remember that being like that. Maybe that's just ham juice that came to the top or something. This kind of looks and smells like cat food. And I don't have a cat, and I'm sure if I did, it would be kind of tough. So let's just try a little bit of it. All right, well, it tastes a lot better than it looks and smells. All right, so what we're gonna do is we got our deviled ham, and we're gonna fix it up in a couple of tortillas with none other than cheese and some good Louisiana hot sauce. So let's get let's get one of these rolling. All right, so whew, this is like pretty sloppy stuff. All right, I don't know how this is gonna be. Now, I would if it was me. Cheesehead Chris says, everything tastes better with a generous helping of cheese. And what would it be without good old Cristal Louisiana hot sauce? And y'all know me, I like just a drop of hot sauce. All right, just a drop. All right, let's fold this up here. And this is just a soft taco shell I got out of one of like the old El Paso kits or something. I don't know how you make a burrito. All right, so we're just gonna fold it up. And now we're gonna try it. All right, here we go with the Underwood Deviled Ham. Got some cheese, hot sauce in there. All right, well, that's really not too bad. The little can doesn't look too great in there, but doesn't need any refrigeration at all. These are just some soft taco shells, but you could use flour tortillas, corn tortillas, whatever you wanted to. Okay. Not bad. You can definitely taste the hot sauce in there too. All right. Well, this is pretty much of a success. Let's go out to the workbench of death and wrap this up. Whew. Runnin' with the Devil, Underwood Deviled Ham. Whew. I'd like to say that that one was good, but that one was kind of tough. It looked really weird. It had this coating of yellow junk on the top of it when I opened it. Once I mixed it up, it wasn't bad. It kind of looked and smelled like cat food. You know, once I put it on a little soft taco shell and put some cheese and some hot sauce on there, it really wasn't too bad. You know, it keep you alive, but it doesn't need any refrigeration. You didn't have to take the cheese along, but the cheese definitely helps. So Underwood Deviled Ham, when you see that in the grocery store, just walk right on by it and keep on going to something better. I think Vienna sausages would be better than that. So it's still kind of warm down here. I think next weekend, me and Trailblazer Tim are going to try to get out for our first overnight camping trip of the season. Hopefully, it'll be just a little bit cooler at night, and I really want to try my hammocks and stuff, so I haven't really hammock camped. So, once again, with my review of a wonderful trail food, I don't know how much lower I can sink than this. With my review of Underwood Deviled Ham, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, and I will see you on the trail.